Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to change the date and time manually on Android. First, open the Settings app and tap directly on the gear icon to launch the main control panel. Scroll down the primary settings menu index layout and tap directly on System, or if you're using Samsung devices, click on General Management. Inside, look for the configuration row option explicitly labeled Date and Time and tap on it. Locate the primary configuration toggle switch explicitly labeled Set Time Automatically. Click the toggle switch right next to Set Time Automatically to turn it completely off. With the network synchronization rules disabled, tap directly on the configuration row explicitly labeled Date. Use the calendar interface grid view to select your target month, day, and year parameters and tap OK. Next, tap directly on the configuration row explicitly labeled Time. Adjust the digital clock layout dial to input your exact hour and minute parameters, select AM or PM, and tap OK to lock in the new time layout rules in real time. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.